Hello and welcome friends. Today in this video I will tell you how you can remove background of a picture without using any software or getting a help from a graphic designer. It is very simple and absolutely free way to remove any picture's background. Okay, let's start. First, we need to select the picture whose background is to be removed. Let's search for a picture on Google. I searched Bugatti's picture and want to remove its background. Here we go. Let's save this beautiful picture on desktop. So this is the original picture. Now we go to the Chrome and type a website named www.remove.bg. This is a free website from where you can remove pictures background absolutely free. First, click on upload image button and select your picture whose background needs to be removed. Now it's preparing. Uploading. Here we go. The background has been removed. Now click on the picture and it will be saved in your download folder. Now we save this picture on desktop, okay? So it was the original picture and this is the picture with the removed background. You see how easy it is to remove background from a picture absolutely free without purchasing any software or getting a help from a graphic designer. You can do it yourself. Within a minute. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel for watching more free stuff videos and don't forget to hit that bell icon for getting notifications for my latest videos. Till the next time, take care and bye bye.